Welcome back to a new episode of Simply Cooking with Donna. And today we're preparing freshly made chicken salad. We're making a supreme chicken salad that is sure to wow both your family and your friends. So let's get started. What we have here is our previously oven roasted chicken. So this is our leftover portions of the chicken. We utilize the legs, the backs, and the wings for eating, and we reserved our chicken breast to prepare this special dish. So this is something that you can remember to do. If you have leftover chicken, you can make a delicious chicken salad. We're making chicken salad in honor of springtime. Yes, summer and spring is up on us, and so we're gonna lighten up our menu and give you something for your taste buds that will satisfy the most pickiest eater. So let's get started. First, we have 2.5 cups of our previously oven roasted chicken. So we're gonna add that to our bowl. And again, this was chicken that we already used for one dish, and we have our leftover chicken breast, and we're gonna make this supreme chicken salad. It's gonna be really delicious. I call this supreme because, as you see, we have a variety of items that we're gonna add. First, we're gonna add 1 cup of red seedless grapes. We're gonna add 1 cup of pecans, freshly chopped. I also have a trio of red peppers, green peppers, and yellow onions, and this is a 1/4 cup. And that's gonna add some delicious flavor to our salad as well as some beautiful color. We have 1 cup of Miracle Whip, and I utilize Miracle Whip because it has a different taste than mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is delicious, but for this salad, I prefer to use the actual salad dressing Miracle Whip. So next, we're gonna go ahead and add our 2 whole chopped boiled eggs. That adds a little more protein, a little more flavor, and give us some different textures as well. We have 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and this is a combination of salt and pepper. So it's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We also have freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna go ahead and incorporate that in our salad. And here is a little trick that I have. We have 1 whole tablespoon of sweet pickle juice. Sweet pickle juice is just a natural sweetener that adds just a little sweetness to your salad without the use of actual granulated sugar. We have all of our delicious ingredients combined, and we're gonna go ahead and mix them all together. This salad is a really easy salad to prepare, and again, it's perfect for spring and summer. It has all of these delicious ingredients, the peppers that add a lot of crunch and a lot of flavor. We have grapes, and we also have delicious pecans in here. So not only is this salad light, it's also a very healthy salad because it's full of lean protein as well. So we're getting that all mixed up, and it's coming along really well. Take a look. And again, the Miracle Whip is my preference. You can utilize mayo if you like, but I just like the extra zing that comes along with Miracle Whip. And now here we go for this spectacular supreme chicken salad that is gonna be so delicious. So I have just a regular scoop here, and we're gonna place 2 scoops on just a large croissant. And I want to get 2 nice scoops because this is so delicious. So now we have our croissant with our delicious supreme chicken salad. as well with the vegetables. And I'm using a croissant, but you can also utilize crackers of your choice. You can add little trimmings like grapes, fresh fruit, and I tell you, this is going to be spectacular. We're going to go ahead and cut it and try it out. Woo! Now that's a sandwich, isn't it? You see that? Yummy. That's a nice, freshly prepared supreme chicken salad on a croissant. Here we go. Okay guys, so this sandwich was simply amazing. The combination of the grapes, the pecans, the red and the green peppers, the onions brought all of these flavors together, and this sandwich you will love. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. Share us with your family and your friends, and we appreciate you so much, and we'll see you next time.